didn't want you tell him, don't even try to shoot him. Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, Michelle and kick it with Kelly, I holla B. Yeah, 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 kick it with Kelly, I holla Michelle, Michelle, Michelle.
Everybody put your hands in the air. Let's all get down. Everybody put your hands in the air. Niggas do space like you really don't care. Hey, yo.
Drop your glasses, shake it. Face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blonde, yeah. Jump drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop basking. Listen to me, baby. Relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all top psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot them and I can't stop laughing. Easy come, easy go, Evie gon' be lasting. Jealousy, let it go, results could be tragic. Some of y'all ain't writing well, too concerned with fashion. None of you ain't Giselle, can't walk and imagine. A lot of y'all Hollywood drama, casting. Cut, 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 cut.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees shit. So what, we go out.
Hey, let me get a lighter, please.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm high as fuck and I forgot one.
Living young and wild and free.
Keep that in there. So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it player for these hoes that look clean, don't it? Watch it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Give me some 501 jeans on it. Roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to their stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the day, I'm with your bitch smoking grade A.
You know what? It's like I'm 17. Bleach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella chicks. Oh my God, I'm on a chase. Chevy is getting kinda heavy, relevant, 7 and dipping away. Time keeps the way, time keeps the way, time keeps the way, time keeps the way, time keeps loving.
He was a friend of mine, and he could sing a song. His heart in every line. Marvin, Marvin sang of the joy and pain. He opened up our minds, and I still can hear him say, talk to me, so you can see what's going on. Say you will sing your song forevermore, evermore, 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 evermore.
You're the charger for my
isla bonita, 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 bonita,
I put Porter NY on the DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace. All finished, no with no ego. Every cutie with the booty, boy, the Gucci. Now who's the real Gucci? Meaning who's really this Rock, Frank, like put the six on the Lexus. LX, Lexus, LX, Lexus, LX.
When I'm looking at you, keep thinking, why can't she be like you? So I'm scheming, I can't go on like that. Believe that her love is true. Oh, standing on the dance floor while she dreams. somewhere and get it on tonight. I got a girl, but you look good tonight. You look so good. It's one tonight.
Follow me, Chicago and them, Don Juan and them, yeah. This is for y'all, remix. Said I know there's somebody's birthday tonight, somewhere, and I know somebody's gonna celebrate tonight. Somewhere, I know one thing's for sure. I'm gonna put on my dancing shoes and I'ma hit the door and go out and step the whole night through. Talk in the name of love. I'm gonna talk in the name of love. And I'm gonna talk in the name of love. Talk in the name of love. I'm gonna step in the name of love. Step in the name of love. In the name of love.
let's coincide. I'm back in your zone, baby, back in your vibe. Now it can't be denied, I can't lie, I'm on ya. And never wanna say sayonara. Somebody told me that the grass was greener on the other side of the lake, Arriba. Never really intended on being a cheater. What I gotta do to be your keeper? These words coming out the speaker. Trim out this off the meter.
Perfect.
Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Holy fireman, I'm too hot. Like a dragon, wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop, yo? I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll go. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, restless figure that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit the
the rules and the kid don't play. And if there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the link while my DJ revolves it.
My nigga should be accurate. As they get the fully so immaculate. Hey yo, watching my damn sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and this for your honorable leg. Little money to put in a little cabriolet. I don't mean a holy rubber that got something to say. Swear they only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us. You know this ain't a game to us. She's strange to us. This only getting dangerous. Come on. This isn't serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous. We so dangerous. Cause too much of us is dangerous. 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 Dangerous.
express myself.